Want to start making money online but don't know where to begin? Here are 5 beginners friendly online income ideas that are easy to start and use platform trusted by thousands of people worldwide. Freelancing means offering a skill online and getting paid by clients. Popular services include writing, graphic design, video editing, and virtual assistants. Fiverr is a beginner friendly platform where you create service listings. Upwork works a little differently, allowing freelancers to apply for projects posted by businesses. Both platforms are great places to start building an online income. Print on demand allows you to sell custom products without managing inventory. You simply upload a design and the platform handles the production and shipping. Print- Printify helps create and fulfill products like t-shirts. Etsy give you access to millions of shoppers looking for unique products, making it popular marketplace for print on demand sales. A newsletter business involves sharing valuable content with subscribers and growing an audience over time. Beehive offers tools for creating, growing, and monetizing newsletters. Substack is another popular platform that allows creators to publish content and earn through paid subscriptions. Medium writing is a simple way to earn by publishing useful articles online. Writer can share knowledge on technology, business, productivity, and many other topics. Medium provides access to a large built-in audience, while the Medium Partner programs gives eligible creators an opportunity to earn from reader engagement. AI-powered content creation uses modern tools to produce content faster and more efficiently. ChatGPT helps generate ideas, outline, and written content, while Canva allows users to create graphics, presentation, and social media designs. Together, these tools can help beginners to create content or offer services to clients online. Each of these ideas offer a different path to online income. Choose the one that matches your skills and interests. Stay consistent and focus on learning as you go. Which one will you try first?